Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Studio Card. Today we're doing an Eclipse card and we're going to be using the Fa La 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 from the Happy Pawliday stamp set. This is the little dogs and it comes with this beautiful set of words. It also has the snow, the it, and the let. So let is snow. But we're going to be using Fa La La for our Eclipse card and also going to be using the beautiful snowflakes from the Snowflake stamp set. And we're just going to stamp this with the Rockin' Red. You're also going to be needing the following pieces of cardstock. You're going to need a piece of white cardstock or your card base. The red is going to be matted over and we cut it just 1/4 of an inch smaller. And then this is going to sit on top and we're going to put all our Fa La 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 on top of that. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to begin the stamping. We're going to leave this base blank because this is where the Fa La 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 is going to go. And so we're going to stamp this. I just think it's quite funny to have to say Fa La La several times. So we're going to be do a little bit of repetitive stamping and we're going to do this just on the edges, keeping it very clean. Going to ink up our stamps and again just doing edge stamping, not going to get too crazy with this because we do want to keep it nice and clean. So we're going to continue on all the way through, and then when we're done with this we're going to go ahead and die cut directly the Fa La La from there, and then we're going to cut it 2 more times with different cardstocks. Alright, so this is ready to go. As I mentioned, we're going to cut this out of that, and then we're going to have another piece of red cardstock and we're going to cut that again, and then we're going to foam it all together. I do have a piece of this purple cardstock, purple tape, and I'm going to set it so I can hold it down and then run it through the die cut machine. Alright, so I had it cut out. What we're going to begin doing is I have a piece of red cardstock and it's going to be placed on our card base, and I've added a piece of foam to the back. So we're going to remove that foam backing and we're going to place it right on the center of this card, exposing some of that white background. So we're going to place this down, make sure that you have it nice and even on all sides. There we go, and all it's going to do is give it a little bit of dimension. Then we're going to come in and we're going to place this flat, and the reasoning why is that we want the other Fa La La Las to really stand up. So we're going to grab our Tombow, we're going to roll the adhesive down, and then we're going to place it like that. So now you have this really pretty, we are ready to do some of the Eclipse card. So we're going to do, I have that Fa La La in red. I have little pieces of foam. So we're going to bring this down. I have some scissors here, and so what we're going to do, we're going to cut that foam. And then we will place those longer pieces of the L and the F over the foam. So we're going to press down using the tip of our scissors. We're going to lift it. We're going to bring in this red. And then we're going to do the white. So we're going to use liquid adhesive. We're going to add just a little bit. We're going to grab that other Fa La La and we're going to just shift it to the left just a little bit, just to move it, and you can see all the layers. And guys, that does it. You have a super easy Eclipse card. We got some stamping, we got beautiful die cuts, and it's nice and thick and ready for the holidays. Thanks so much.